Hello, today we are going to be talking about shapes. The shapes we're going to be covering are two-dimensional and three-dimensional, or flat and solid. This first shape that we're going to look at is a circle. This circle would be two-dimensional. It is flat, we can't see behind it, and we couldn't pick it up. This next shape is a sphere. So this sphere is three-dimensional. You can see by the shading, I know it's a tough picture to tell, but it is three-dimensional. It is like a ball, so we can pick it up. Next, we have a triangle. This triangle is two-dimensional. It is flat. We can't see behind it, we couldn't pick it up. A triangle also has 1, 2, 3 sides and 3 angles. Next, we have a cone. A cone is three-dimensional. We can see by the shadow here, and that means it is solid and we could pick it up. Next is a square. This square is two-dimensional. We can see that it is flat, so we would not be able to pick it up. We can also count how many sides a square has. 1, 2, 3, and 4, with 4 angles. Next, we have a cube. So a cube is three-dimensional. We can see behind it right here, and that means it's solid and we could pick it up. Next is a hexagon. A hexagon is a 6-sided shape, but it is flat, so it is two-dimensional. We could not pick it up. And with its 6 sides, it also has 6 angles as well. Next is a cylinder. So a cylinder would be three-dimensional. You can tell up here at the top, how it's closed, that it is solid. So we could pick it up. Here are some pictures of some of the objects that we talked about. This traffic cone right here would be, just as I said, a cone. And pop cans are the shape of a sphere. And a cylinder. And a globe is the shape of a sphere. And then a box is in the shape of a cube. Thank you.